Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Nathan's 3D Factory. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to do bridge edge loops. So take a look right here, okay? So we have this gap in between these two pieces of geometry, right? And so what we want to do here is that we want to get these so that these two pieces come together. We can stitch them together, so we start over here, and so we have so many vertices, right? So we got so many here and so many here. And so to get these to go together, well, let's just say we get this edge loop and we get this edge loop, right? And then we're going to just go to bridge edge loops by doing Control E, and you'll see right here, all that geometry is just irregular, right? Doesn't look good. So what we need to do is, I'll delete that out. And then what we want to do is we want to make sure that we have the same number on this side as we do on this side. That way we can stitch them all together, and you'll see what I'm doing here, okay? So we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, right? Now let's see on this side. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, so what we need to do is we need to figure out a place where we're going to go and we're going to subdivide these, okay? We're going to make a matchup so we have 13 on one side, 13 on the other side. So we can slide this over, and so we just do this by doing Shift V. There we go. Do this here as well. All right. Okay, and then once we have those, then we can do Control R, and we get a nice loop cut right there. And then let's see, where else do we have? Right here. Okay, so we can look at these. All right, there we go. And we can do the same thing. And now let's go ahead and let's get both of these so they have the same 13 vertices on each side, right? And so now we're going to do Control E, bridge edge loops. And now you see that we have all this even geometry. It works out just perfect. So now we have all that. We can actually also go and take an edge loop, and we can delete it out if it's just a little too cluttered. So we do it there. And let's see, where else would be a really good place? You know, like maybe we do it right here. And then we just kind of like, okay, so we can slide that. And we can kind of clean up that geometry like that. There you go. You have bridged edge loops. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and have a great day.